What are you going to do?
I'll put them on my head.
Put them above your head, your balloons?
Yeah.
Okay, bring them down by your head.
I got 2 balloons.
You got a lot of balloons. Bring them down. What colors you got?
Orange and
What else?
orange
Yeah.
and yellow and purple
Yeah.
and blue
Uh-huh.
and pink.
Oh, yay! That's fabulous. Good job. Bring them down by your head so I can take a picture.
One more time.
One more time. Pull them down. One more time. One more time. Ooh, I love them. Those are great.
Come on, let's pull them.
Wow, I like it. That was nice of Daddy, huh?
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. I tried to call him. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for the balloon.
Thank you for the balloons. I love them.
I love them.
Aw, you have the best daddy ever, don't you?
Take my picture.
Okay, ready? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job.
Let's put them on my head.
Okay, put them on your head. Bring them down. Put them on your head.
Got them.
Okay. Whoa, that was funny.